Good luck. May the gods be with you. All right, let's go. Hide that. All right, here we go. Just make sure the view looks okay first. It's not terrible. All right, Shunk, Drew Thorpe, Terang, and Castellanos to get us going. Soto, Crochet, Judge, Michael Harris, Brian Hayes, negative, haha, wow, what a start. Billy Cook, the legend, of course. It had to be Billy Cook on the negative. Aaron Judge and Tyler Anderson. Billy Cook, Stork. What a way to start this off. Maybe that's why we talked about Billy Cook so much, is because he was everywhere in the first hobby box. Or first hobby case, that is. Rookie Rush first box is Haesung Kim for the Doyers. Let's go, hobby. Don't even need buyback when we get the Haesung Kim Rookie Rush in the first box. We'll take it. We will take it. Rookie Rush and negative in the first like 3 packs. Did we get a good case finally? Let's see. Christian Mena, Gleyber Torres refractor, Devin Williams. Or are we getting all of our good stuff out of the way early? Let's hope not. Let's hope we see some good color. Chaparro, Nimmo, Bassett, Naylor. Rodriguez, Andujar, DeGrom, Churio. Garcia. There's Will Warren for the Yankees in stockpile. Base pitcher auto. It's Will Warren. I know the name, but we have done it again in a hobby box. We have done it again. Oh, Will Warren action for stockpile. Leo, Kumar Rocker, Scooble refractor, and Contreras. Classic. We got to keep our count. This is a fresh case, so we're gonna get through 3 of the first 12 boxes today. We got to keep our count of base pitcher autos. It was 11 out of 12 in case 1. Mullins, Nootbaar, Judge, second insert of Judge. See, that's a great question, Robbie. I think it's a little bit of mix of both. 24 definitely spoiled us. But I think there's also just a slightly higher frequency of base autos and hobby boxes, and they've kind of, even in jumbos, they just feel objectively watered down compared to some of the previous years that I've opened. But, you know, we will see. Lou Bob, Logan Webb. At the end of the day, I only open 1 case. So you can have good cases, you can have bad cases. You really just never know. Sogard, Nico Horner, James Wood, McClanahan. But I think you're very right about one thing, that 2024 definitely spoiled us. Brooks Lee, Xander Bogaerts, Rooker, Scherzer. Ryan Jeffers, Haesung Kim, Renfroe, Fitzgerald. Suzuki, Birdsong, Candelaria, Langford. Last few packs here. Matt Olson, Nolan Jones, Jackson Merrill, Mackenzie Gore. Got to see some color, right? Martinez, McLean, Jacob Wilson, Nolan Gorman. Does the Rookie Rush and negative count as our color for the box? That's what I'm saying. And I paid more than that. I had to pay more than $220. Corbin Carroll, Dustin Harris, Stephen Kwan, Paul Goldschmidt. We're trying. We're going to have some bad boxes. I'll make my decision again after the 3 today, but I wouldn't say it's off to the best start. Gilbert Diaz, Sagis, Ozzie Albies, Lawrence Butler. Yeah, that's it. That's your hobby. That's your sleeve pile. Got Jacob Wilson, Will Warren, a Billy Cook negative, and a Hai Song Kim negative. No color. No color in one whole hobby. All right, Corey. It's your reputation on the line. Good luck. Reese Hoskins, Jacob Wilson, and Emmanuel Classe. It's true, it's true. Baroa, McMahon, Lindor, Nate Lau. Did we get color? Let's go. Contreras, Jordan, Fortune 15. Rays, Pete Fairbanks to 199 for the Rays. That is Mr. Kyle. Love me some Pete Fairbanks interviews. Trevor Story, Zach Neto, Jose Siri, Chris Bassett. Oh, man. Sorry, Stork. It's on me, it's on me. Gold auto? I mean, Paul Skeens, Jeremy Pena. We gotta do this last. That card has gotta be last. We gotta sweat it to the end of this box. No, I think that's gold wave auto. Grant Holmes, Jose Ramirez, Scooble. I'm not lucky enough to get a super. It's a good point. It's a good point. If you call it, you get a free team in the mixer. If Logie just called a Tyler Gentry auto, he gets a free team in the mixer. Roki, Yoshida, Vladdy Refractor, Stephen Kwan. Yeah, Billy Cook. I would love me a Kobe. That'd be a good card, even though he's struggling right now. It only applies to your guess, Logie. Because it's going to be one of those guys. If I let everybody guess, then we'd guess all of the non-big names, and it would be one of those guys, most likely. I should do that, though. Everybody gets one guess, and if you guess the right auto, then you get some sort of buyback credit. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind a little extra game on the side. That'd be pretty fun. McDermott. Oh, okay. There's your auto. It is a pitcher for the Red Sox, Luis Guerrero. Well, okay, it's not an auto, so hopefully it's a nice one. Because here's your auto. Luis Guerrero, 167 out of 250 for the Red Sox. That is J Love, the GOAT, Roki, and Christian Yelich. Okay, at least it was a numbered auto. That's a step up from the base pitcher auto in box 1. Please, we've had one of those so far. I know, it looked like a super, didn't it? Gino, John Kenzie Noel, Schwarber refractor, imagine. I didn't even see that purple sneak up on me. No, it's definitely not a super. I can see the gold from here. York, J-Rod, Candelario. Where's our buyback, though? That's kind of the whole thing with the those blasters. I feel like we're pulling buyback pretty often. It just seems to be really dry in the buyback category in hobbies. Yamamoto, Shane Bieber, nice Skeens, Schwarber again. Just in case, Schwarber. Greg Jones, Drew Thorpe, Mason Wynn, Ryan Reynolds. Stay hitting. I mean, the other thing is we don't even get like the ray waves and the prisms in this. So it's like, it's super hard. I'd love to get some variety on the rookies, but can't even do that in hobby boxes. McGreevy, Terang, Kobe Mayo, Jose Siri. All right, last pack before that gold. Extra auto Wood Cook. All right, Yankees with a little buyback here. We'll take that. Brandon Lau, a Rosarena refractor, and a Vladdy Jr. Oh, $20 rebate if things continue to go as planned in the AL MVP race. Gold of the Royal. No way. Oh, Logie. Pick the right team. Yeah, pick the right team. You are so close. There's your second hobby box. I don't know, y'all. Even my top-loaded stack is thinner after a hobby box compared to like 5 blasters. We've had 2 blasters with more, but I mean, I guess some guaranteed color, purple auto, Fairbanks, a Judge, Sasaki, Skeens, and Wilson. I don't know. I don't. Hey, I appreciate you. Welcome back. I'm glad you found us. We're in the middle of a little depressing stretch of hobby boxes, though, so I'm hoping we can pick up the fire with this last price drop of the day. Fire somebody up. We've been ripping blasters and megas exclusively for the last like month, and they honestly have been treating us well, especially compared to what we've been hitting out of this stuff. So I'm hoping we can pick up the fire here. Good luck, guys. Last price drop of the day, and then we get on to the spicy stuff. Here we go. Oh, music. Stark almost killed me. It's true. I mean, see, I don't know if I can say that because blasters have been so good. We've been pulling so much heat out of blasters just constantly, man. Like Bobby Witt, Hobby Matt. There's been a lot of good stuff out of blasters for us. All right, here we go. Jace Young, rookie. Zach Neto, Olin Arenado, and a Royce Lewis. Bang for your buck. I've honestly felt like blasters this year have been better than last year. Nice. I mean, I think that's reasonable, man. It's been rough for sure. Vicenzo, Alcantara, Pete Alonso. I got a relatively good deal. I mean, still not great. I paid $2.40 a box for this case. And so I figured I would take a chance, go one box at a time, because there's no way in heck I was going to do a larger break with multiple of these boxes. Because, I mean, so far my my assumptions have been holding true. I've yet to see kind of any real value pulled out of anything in Chrome this year except for blasters and megas. Seen some single big cards, but it's been a rough go. Mookie Betts, Bryce Harper. Blasters and megas have been dealing us plenty of buyback as well. Been very hard to hit Shohei and Judge out of hobbies. Cortez, Alcantara, Prism, Dylan Cruz, Severino. Okay, O'Neal, Alex Jackson Merrill, and Trey Turner. He's having a big year for the Phils. That's number to 199 going to Carlitos. Very nice. Good name for the Phils there. A bookend? No, 179 or 199. Narvaez, Mason Miller, Anderson, McKenzie. Mazur, Povich, Prism, Freddie Freeman, Gonzalez. This is good. That would be nice. Willie Adames, Paul Skeens. Got to do it last, though. Got to do it last. Orange Wave. Orange Wave in this one. Did this last time to a surprise of, who was it? Hunter Renfroe, no longer in the league. Last box we had a gold wave, and it ended up being Hunter Renfroe. Sweated it till the end. Luis Arias. Oh, okay. This is actually not the worst name. This is like last year's Justin Martinez, kind of the Diet Mason Miller. Dodgers picking up a nice auto. I probably would have been pissed like a month ago, but I'm actually not as disappointed in this name after watching him throw. Woo! It's still a base pitcher auto, though, of a relief pitcher. Wow, my voice is terrible right now. Too much yelling at the football game yesterday. Yeah, it's actually not terrible at all. That guy is, I mean, he's probably going to make a bigger name for himself in the playoffs, but definitely not the worst pull. At least we know the name. Fairbanks, Lau, Mookie Betts, Altuve. Yeah, I would agree. Teodosio, Job, Holiday, India. Matt Strom, Langoliers, Contreras, Logan Gilbert. We should make kickers. Why? Would you pick up another kicker? You win the league with 2 kickers? O'Neal Cruz, Naylor, Byron Buxton. Martinez, Aldegari, Julio Burleson. Crazy guy. Tatis, Kloffenstein, Acuna, Garrett Mitchell. 2 packs left. We'll close out with our orange wave. And I might already be dreading my decision to get a whole case of this stuff. But hey, we live and we learn. Max Muncy, Fitzgerald, the Pasquatch. right? Robbie, don't worry. You don't have to. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you, brother. Billy Cook, Hunter Fiducia, Acuna, Manaya. I mean, a good chunk of you guys probably were with us when we ripped blasters and megas throughout the course of this past week, the week before. So you guys have kind of been consistently seeing what comes out of even cheaper product, right? Like 5 blasters is cheaper than a hobby. 3 megas is cheaper than a hobby. And we've kind of consistently been ripping those. You guys see the amount of nice rookie checkerboards that come out, the occasional ink, the SPs. So, I mean, even if we have 1 or 2 good boxes, I just don't see how it makes any sense. But either way, good luck. It is a Pirate named Nick York /25. 17 /25. This is a rookie. We'll take it for Weiser. Not the worst. A rookie hitter. But yeah, man. I mean, I kind of do my recaps after every price drop, and here we go. First box of Finest. Good luck. First pack. Buxton, Ohtani, Louder, Mayo, nasty Nestor Cortez for the Yankees, who's no longer nasty, but we will take it. Pearl Fractor right behind it of Corbin for the D-backs going to Brent. Love this. 23 of 40 going to Brent. Mike Trout on the Creators, Max Muncy, and Jordan Lawler. Nestor Cortez getting us off and running in Finest for Mr. Stockpile. Nice Corbin, Brent. 2 autos today. Is this the Brazilian national anthem? Let's get it. You need a Slabby. There's no autos for the Yankees in Slabby, but there's 2 Slabbies live, so yes. Same thing. Orelvis, Max Muncy, Drew Thorpe, Schwellenbach rookie, Paul Skeens. Uncommon Luis Angel, nice. George Springer /300 for the Jays. He's having a great year. Finest timelines of Ripken, Rocker, and another Luis Angel. Wow. Picked up the uncommon and the rare Luis Angels. If it's in Portuguese, yes. I think it was. It had to have been. Springer, is that you too, Brent? Blue Jays and D-backs? Is that the duo? Let's go. And then Mr. Beast. Here we go. Let's keep it rolling here. Riley Green, Connor Norby, Kevin Williams, Langford, Cam Smith, Juan Soto checkerboard, blue of Salvi for the Royals and Charles, Kobe Mayo, Jackson Churio refractor, and Ezekiel Tovar for the Rockies. A long way to go here. Mr. Kurtz off the rip for Chris, Caden Dano, Vladdy Jr., Aaron Judge, Gabi Moreno, Mason Wynn, Tyler Locklear for Corey and the Mariners, Jazz Chisholm creators, Amador, and Alcantara. All right, 2 packs left of the first box. Got a second auto lurking here. I'll do this blue auto. Mookie Betts, Ronald Acuna, Roki, Jordan. Blue rookie auto. Orioles, Cade Povich to 150 for the O's. Pete Alonso to 350 for Dan. Nice Roki for the Dodgers. Is that a double up on the Dodgers there? Hai-Song Kim, 9 of 50. I guess good color on that. And Max Fried for the Yankees. All right, well, Orioles auto. That's going to T. Mitch. Not a bad name for us. It's pretty solid, but double up on Dodgers color there for Chris is not too bad out of that pack. Roki and Hai-Song Kim. All right, let's clear up our stage here. Corbin, you have lasted. Even though those Rokis and Hai-Song Kims were nice. I'd love a third auto here. I love it. It's a fresh case. Let's surprise me. Maybe. Wheeler, Baldwin, Durbin, Seager, Bobby Witt, Ellie. Blue of Mike Trout for the Angels is very nice. Nacho Alvarez, Schwellenbach for the Braves on the refractor, and a Cal Raleigh uncommon for the Mariners. All right, not the best auto box of finest, but some good color once again, and always taking Orioles off it. Orioles auto. All right, folks. 1 through 30 in the chat. Stockpile's getting us kicked off with 16. The first number I see duplicated twice between 1 and 30 by 2 separate people is the number of slab that we open first. Looking for number 1 through 30. I got a 16 and a 12. 16, 12, 6. 16, 12, 6. 16, 12, 6, 12 for Consto and Yanni. 12 for Consto. So that's going to be our second stack right here. It's 1 through 10, 11 through 20, and 21 through 30. That's going to be our second stack, 11 and 12 right here. All right, just replaced number 11 with what was number 21. Here we go. Good luck. Best of luck here. Number 12 is the Shohei pitching for the Angels and a rookie. It's the last one of these. The last one of these. We have like 8 of these to begin with. And David, nice little money back and more on your Angel spot. Love it. PSA 10 rookie, PSA 9 rookie of Shohei Ohtani. No mas of those. Seen a lot of those, but that is the final Ohtani rookie and a PSA 9. That is the final one of those rookies. Although those are what? Still $60 cards. Let's not sleep on those cards right there. That's the GOAT rookie in a 9. And it's the pitching one, too. We had 8, if anybody was curious. We had 8. It was the highest probability of one to hit for a while, for sure. For sure. All right. See if we can fill out that stage before the last slabby here. Gotta fire me up. Juan Soto, Bobby Witt, Kyle Tucker, Jacob Wilson, Julio, uncommon Class A. No auto here. Austin Wells going to you. That's on the rare blue for Stockpile and the Yankees. McCutchen, Martinez, Jimenez. I think so. He just got hurt, for sure. They need receivers, dude. Pacheco is going to get so much run. Wow, Marion in the backfield, too. Herbo. Here we go. Salvi. Ooh, green auto maybe. Locklear. Corbin Carroll. That one last. James Wood, checkerboard's nice. Riley Green for the Tigers. Love it. Is that the Babe? Yep, the Babe. Ryan Bliss and Cam Smith. Just rocked? Okay, fair enough. It looked like he got hurt pretty bad, though. Got rocked by Kelsey. Oh, my God. Quentin Johnston. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Green auto. Braves. This is another. Oh, it's the first Schwellenbach. That's a beauty. Casey. 41-75. We pulled a couple RPAs of. Yeah, that was some terrible effort on defense. We pulled a couple of RPAs of Waldrop. It's the first Schwelly we've pulled to 75. Nice rookie auto there for Casey and the Braves. Love the young Braves pitchers. They've got a lot of potential. Mr. Schwellenbach. First auto of this box. More play action. Give me another auto in that spot. Let's see. Vicenzo. Ben Rice. Moments auto, please. Logan Webb. Gunner oil spill. Wow. What a card. Look at that one. T. Mitch. That's a beauty. Gunner oil spill. That pops. Kyle Tucker. Nice Ronald Acuna Jr. Rafi Devers. James Wood refractor. Nice couple of cards there for the Nats and John Kenzie Noel. Gunner oil spills. Butte. Cunha color as well. Hey, yo, where are these leaving the field? That's what I'm saying. Three teams left. Or 3 packs left here. Shota, Garrett Cole, Locklear, Corbin, Blake Snell uncommon, Skubal, green of, wow, Gunner. Number to 25 for the Orioles on the rare green. Couple of nice Gunners. It's been a Gunner day apparently. Schwellenbach, Amador, Nacho. Couple of really nice Gunners for T. Mitch and the O's there. Look at that. 25 and the oil still. Blue auto here, maybe. Lubob, DeZenzo, Ben Rice, Logan Webb, Schwarber, Caden Dana for the Angels. Grant McCray, Churio, Wood, and Skeens uncommon. Man, Caden Dana. We were pulling Nolan Ryan after Nolan Ryan. I wasn't ready for this guy. I was not ready for this guy. Ugh. This guy not bad, though. Anybody seen him play, actually? What's the DL on Caden Dana? 7 of 99 for David and the Angels. What's the DL on Caden Dana? Anybody got a little scouting report? Last pack here of Finest before we finish off with a Slabby. Maybe we can get 2 Slabbies in today. Why not? Shota, Jonathan India, Pete Alonso, Richard Fitz, Gunner Rare Checkerboard, Harper, another Corbin for you. This one to 200. Brooks Lee, Tarek Skubal Refractor, and Byron Buxton. Got him. Another flag. All right. Caden Dana for the Angels. Caden Dana for the Angels. I'll recap the hits out of that. But that wasn't the best 2 boxes of Finest auto-wise. Except for that Schwelly, that was nice. Couple of nice gunners. Color was really good. Oof. 6 and 9 with a 5.93 is not what we're looking for there. Let's try it. 1 through 29, chat. 1 through 29. 1 is at the top left. 29 is at the bottom right of your stack. Let me know where we're going. The first number I see duplicated twice by 2 separate people is the number of slab that we open. 16. Boom. Stockpile and J Love. 16. Locked and loaded. Let's finish with a bang. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There is 16 right here. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Last Slabby of the week. Can we end with a bang, or will it be a third Slabby in the cards? This feels thick. Is this finally Mr. Langford? It's been so long. I've been waiting to pull Wyatt. If it is, it is. Wiser, it has finally paid off. The Wyatt Langster. Wyatt Langford 5-star rookie auto in a PSA 9. Finally, good sir. He's done it. Shohei and Wyatt Langford are 2 Slabbies today. Angels and Rangers. I appreciate you guys. That was Finest disappointed me. What's new, I guess? Disappointed by sealed wax. Seems to be a theme. But my Slabbies, less of a disappointment. Langford and Ohtani rookies. I think it's the Pearl Refractor. It's like not a Pearl pack, but I think it's just called, yeah, it's just the Pearl Parallel here. All right, guys, I am going to recap and then let y'all have a free weekend or free Friday night without me yelling in your ears. So here you go. 2 boxes of Finest plus 2 of our Slabby Patties. Caden Dana to 99, McCray to 300. Some good color here. Acuna to 250, Wood Refractor, Riley Green to 150, Wood Checkerboard, Jacob Wilson, Austin Wells to 150, Trout to 75, Roki to 125, and Hyesung Kim to 50 for the Dodgers is not terrible. Cortez auto, Pete Alonso to 350, Povich to 150, Salvi to 325, George Springer to 300, Kurtz, Tyler Locklear to 200, Corbin, was that 23 of 40, little MJ number there too. 23 of 40, Corbin to 200. Beautiful gunners here. Oil Spill and 4 of 25 for T. Mitch. Oil Spill rare and green rare. Best auto out of Finest was a pretty nice Schwellenbach, 41 of 75 for Casey and the Braves. Nice hit here. And 2 Slabbies. Shohei, 2018 Topps rookie pitching for David. And 2024 Topps 5-star. Wyatt Langford rookie auto for Weiser himself. Congrats. We've been hunting that one for a while. All right. Appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys enjoyed the rip. Thank you for choosing SNR. We'll be back on Monday with more price drops and more Slabby Patty finest mixers.